Hello, welcome to Flipped. So today we are on anions, which are the negative ions. First we have carbonates, which are CO3 2-. How do we identify them? Basically we add dilute acid to it, and then we bubble the produced gas, which is CO2, into lime water. Lime water is carbon hydroxide. And what we observe is that white precipitate will start to form. Okay, this is also called turns chalky. Okay, as in the chalk that we write on the the blackboard, sorry. Okay, turns chalky. Secondly, we have chloride, which is Cl-, and what we do to identify them is to add dilute nitric acid to the test tube, and then we add silver nitrate. Okay, what we observe is also white precipitate start to form. Next, we have iodide. Okay, it's also to add dilute nitric acid first, and then we add lead-2 nitrate. What we observe is yellow precipitate will form. Next is nitrates, which are NO3-. This one is a bit special because we don't see any precipitate. Instead, how we test is using NaOH, which is sodium hydroxide, and a small piece of aluminium foil. And then we warm the mixture, and we will start to have this pungent gas being emitted. And this pungent gas, when we use a red litmus paper, it actually turns blue, signifying that it's alkaline. And this NH3 produced shows us that, okay, nitrate is present in the test tube. Finally, we have sulfate, which is SO4 2-. And how to identify sulfates in our test tube is really just to add dilute nitric acid to it, and then we add barium nitrate. What we'll observe is white precipitate will start to form. So you can see that of the 5 anions we have to remember, 3 of them form white precipitate. One forms yellow precipitate, and finally nitrates, okay, they don't form any precipitate, but instead they produce NH3, which is pungent, and they turn red litmus paper blue. Okay, and that is all for the 5 anions we have to know for O-level syllabus.